Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentle. Here are today's headlines. Lander module of Chandrayaan-3 reaches required lunar orbit to commence soft landing process on the south pole of the moon. "20 cases of conjunctivitis have been detected in Shillong. State Health Department issues an advisory. State government to hold talks with all the stakeholders before going ahead for the feasibility study on railways in East Jaintia Hills, says Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya. And Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur and BJP President JP Nadda assess damages due to rain and landslides in Himachal Pradesh. Let's look at the news in detail. The successful deorbiting maneuver for the landing module of Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft was performed successfully earlier this morning. The lander module was placed in a 25 by 134 kilometer orbit around the moon. A tweet by ISRO says that the health of the lander module Vikram is normal. The tweet adds that the lander module has reached the required orbit to commence its descent towards the surface of the moon. The momentous occasion when the lander that carries a rover within it will soft land on moon near the South Pole is fixed on August 23rd between 17:30 and 18:30 hours. A successful moon landing will make India the fourth country to have achieved this feat. Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched Garib, Kalyan, Maha Abhiyan today in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. He also presented the report card for 20 years of the BJP government in the state. In his address on the occasion, Shah said the BJP rule has made Madhya Pradesh one of the most developed states of the country by coming out of the stigma of Bimaru state. He termed the 20 years of BJP's rule as the golden period of development. He said that in the next 25 years of Amrut Kal, the government will make Madhya Pradesh fully developed and prosperous as well as a self-sufficient state.
2003 तक 53 वर्ष में 6-7 साल छोड़कर पूरा समय कांग्रेस का शासन रहा कि आज जो लोग दावे कर रहे हैं उनको सबसे पहले इस 53 साल का विकास का हिसाब देश की जनता के सामने, मध्य प्रदेश की जनता के सामने रखना चाहिए। कांग्रेस के शासन में 53 साल में मध्य प्रदेश को क्या विरोध मिला? तो एक बीमारू राज्य का विरोध मिला।
A day after the detection of 20 cases of conjunctivitis at Maulai Mauro PHC, the District Medical Health Officer of East Khasi Hills District has issued an advisory on precautionary measures to be taken by the public. Speaking to media persons, DMHO Dr. Adrina Lingdo on Saturday informed that people affected by conjunctivitis should maintain hand hygiene, not share personal items and remain isolated until there are symptoms. According to her, cases have been reported from different pockets and the administration has issued letters to all facilities and organizations to create awareness to prevent the disease. Dr. Lingdo said that if proper care is not taken, the disease could become more severe.
Firstly, I would like to say that a letter has been issued by the office, by the District Medical Health Officer on the 18th, that is yesterday. Though previously, doctors in the field, the different PHCs, CHCs, dispensaries, UPHCs, because they interact and they have programs, like immunization sessions, they have antenatal clinics. They take that opportunity to talk to all those who attend the facilities on hand hygiene, okay, and then being not sharing items, and thirdly masking, and even if there is the fact that there people are showing symptoms, that means goggle use. At the same time, they have to stay isolated, for at least till the symptoms subside, so that it cannot spread further.
Amidst opposition, the Meghalaya government has not dropped the idea of having a railway project in East Jaintia Hills. Indicating this, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Transport Snyaobalangdhar has said that the state government will hold talks with all the stakeholders, particularly from the local area, before going ahead for the feasibility study on railways in East Jaintia Hills. Dhar said the state government has not dropped the idea of having a railway project in East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya, as the project is under discussion.
First, we have to take all the stakeholders on board first. As of now, it takes time for the stakeholder to, we as a government have to take awareness first. So we will discuss accordingly, especially with the local area first, and then we'll come to the stakeholder as a whole.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Transport, Sneha Dhar, has said that the centre is still examining the proposal to implement inner line permit in Meghalaya. He was reacting to the Hinyotrep Youth Council's query on the centre's dilly-dally on implementing ILP. According to Dhar, the centre is not sitting on the proposal, rather it is examining the pros and cons. The HYC has made it clear that it will not accept any proposal to bring in railways within the state unless there are specific provisions to check the entry and exit of people in the Khasi Hills region.
Even they are examining ILP. Not keep quiet, even Centre is examining about ILP. You saw on the paper this last week we went there, we met the Prime Minister, personally we request him, and they are examining.
The Bharatiya Janata Party National President J.P. Nadda and Union Minister Anurag Thakur today visited and assessed the damages in flood-affected areas of Sirmaur of Himachal Pradesh. They interacted with the affected locals. The BJP president assured the people that the central government would extend all assistance needed for relief and rehabilitation. BJP National President Nadda and Union Minister Thakur also visited Shiv Mandir, Samahill and Krishna Nagar landslide affected areas of Shimla to take stock of the rescue and rehabilitation work and the loss of life and property. The holy month of Sawan is coming to an end and the annual Kawad Yatra has started in Shillong. This year, the Yatra, which started from Mahadev Khola Dham on Saturday, is scheduled to culminate at the natural cave of Mausanram, where the devotees will perform Jalabhishek on Lord Bholenath's Shiva Linga. The administration has made adequate security arrangements for the Yatra and has also put in place measures to ensure the safety of the devotees. The Kawad Yatra is an old tradition in which devotees carry a kawad, a container made of bamboo and decorated with flowers containing water from a holy river. The water is then offered to Lord Shiva as a gesture of devotion. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Lander module of Chandrayaan-3 reaches the required lunar orbit to commence soft landing process on the south pole of the moon. 20 cases of conjunctivitis detected in Shillong. State Health Department issues an advisory. State government to hold talks with all the stakeholders before going ahead for the feasibility study on railways in East Jaintia Hills, says Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Dhar. And Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur and BJP President J.P. Nadda assess damages due to rain and landslides in Himachal Pradesh. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.